hanging out doing laundry, and we're at the Walmart. Take a look here. Walmart. Yeah. Well, excuse me. Still doing some healing here. Got my top ones in. Never had an issue with those. This is the bottom one, so just wait for that swelling to go down a little bit, and then I'll put them in, or they'll be put back in. Tony's over there. Say hi. Well, for this Crockpot Wednesday, it is sweet potatoes, and Tony actually made these. He makes them with butter, orange juice, brown sugar, regular sugar, vanilla, and he puts it in the crock pot, let it sit for hours. This is the beginning phase, and Michael got to them before I was able to take a picture of it completely full in the crock pot with the sweet potatoes, but nonetheless, absolutely delicious. So my son decides he's going to make some beef, barbecue pork, and he brought this plate over. My daughter-in-law was supposed to cook, but she didn't cook, but that's okay. So my son, who never uses a crock pot, decided he wanted to use a crock pot. Then it was on about cooking. Tony decided he wanted to cook chicken, and here was the chicken to have with the sweet potatoes. So it was a wonderful day. But Michael and Tony are going to be the taste testers. Okay. Michael is taste testing my daughter-in-law's ribs, barbecue pork.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good? That's it?
Mm-hmm. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Okay. Second taste tester.
I'm surprised.
Is that I like it or I don't?
It's good.
Okay, good.
I don't know which one of y'all cooked it, but it's pretty good.
No, Amy cooked this one. Well, it ended up being a wonderful day with chicken, sweet potatoes, barbecue pork, and family. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.